If you want to see how I took this plain drab wall, dirty hallway to this beautiful wall art gallery with this beautiful Amazon light, stay tuned guys. Let's get into the video. Let's go.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. This is something I wanted to do in my home for a very long time. As you guys know, we have minimized in this home. We have gotten rid of so much stuff. Now we are entering things in our home that we love, that we will do it again and purchase again or remodel again. And this is what we're doing. I wanted this wall art gallery, but I just didn't know how to bring it to pass. So I went to IKEA, got myself those IKEA Reba, I believe it's a 12 by 16 wall art, and also went to Amazon and got myself those light wall light. I think they call them picture light. I got them from Amazon. You have to enter 3 batteries, AA inside, and also the remote control already comes with the battery, so you don't have to worry that part. And this is what I'm showing you guys right now, how simple it is. Sorry about my ashy hands. I was doing some work around the house, so my hands was not properly done. And also it has a leveler in the back to help you. Now I had my handyman here, which is my brother-in-law. You're going to see both of my brothers-in-law in this video. Listen, God has blessed me with good people with handy hands, and I don't have to pay nobody to do nothing. And I printed those pictures. Those were a Christmas picture last year. Oh my God, look at my babies. I printed them at Walgreens. And one is for both of the kids, one is for all of us, and one is for all of our family and my husband and I. So he's measuring the wall and adding the first 2 pictures, and then he's going to go ahead then add this beautiful light. So I was just testing it, seeing how it works, how there's 3 different levels of light, and I didn't even know that. And the remote control is so much easier. I can be somewhere far from it and I just press it, pimp, pimp, pimp. Gladys. So guys, I know you're here to see how this was placed on the wall. Let's continue. So after he placed them on the wall, he measured them all. He then went in and erased all the pencil mark he did. Now he's going to go ahead for the light. He's going to level it in the middle of both light. This was very quick and very easy, guys. He measured on both the middle of both wall art or picture art on the wall, and then he went in and installed it. And it was that simple, that quick, and I was like, wow. He was here less than an hour doing it. The most thing that took forever was measuring. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try the light. I was up on my stairs trying to see how it is. Let me know, guys, should I add 2 more lights in the back, the bottom? Let me know. It looks small, but it's actually really impressive. It's really big in the house. Those IKEA wall art are really not wall art, sorry, picture wall are really big. So picture frame, oh my God, it's early in the morning, sorry guys. They're pretty big. As I said, they're 12 by 16, so they're huge. Now we are doing the second part, which is my wall art that was already in my wall hallway here. And I told my brother-in-law to bring it down, and then so that it's not too high up on the wall, and then add the lights there. So that's exactly what he did. Again, very simple. You have to level it, you have to measure it in the middle of the wall art, and then you are able to go ahead and install it. And then he went and clicked it in there. I was like, okay. And then he asked me, anything else you want me to do? Then I brought him in my room and I was like, okay, can you fix these blinds? And then he fixed them for me and he went in his way. So they don't ask me for anything, but I'm so grateful to have them around, so I can call one day and I can call the other one the other day. So then again, he's measuring it, and then he's going to go ahead and put the screw in it. So this is pretty easy. I can indicate them where to put this, what to do, and I can do it myself, but I'm just lazy to do it. You can do it. So this is why I decided to bring out this video for anybody who's interested in doing this picture over light picture or doing the on-wall gallery. This is super simple. As you've seen, it's a very short video. I'm going through it very quick, just letting you know exactly what is it that we are getting done here. I know this is very chatty, so I'm gonna let you watch. So as you can see, he clicked it on there and that was it. 2 screws, clicked it on there, that was it. All I had to do is add the battery. Now I'm checking out the light, making sure the light is all functional the same way as the other one is. And I lost one remote control, and the same remote control was able to work for both lights here and also in the hallway. In case you're clumsy like me, you can turn it off manually and turn it on manually like I'm showing you right now. So there goes the reveal, guys. Simple, beautiful, and I'm just in awe. It brought so much dramaticness in the house. It's so simple yet so beautiful. I'm going to show you guys how both of them look like when you're standing in the middle of my living room. You can actually see both of them there. I mean, look how different this hallway looks like. Just looks like it's from the magazine. Minimalism does not have to be boring. Yes, indeed, I said it. It does not have to be boring.